Anong difference ng dating sa boyfriend and girlfriend? Anong difference sa tinatawag na situationship? Hindi ko din alam eh. Kasi during our time, it was just nanliligaw or courtship and then boyfriend-girlfriend. And then meron kang weird na, siguro it happened in the 90s, meron kang tinatawag na cool off period. Meron kang cool off period na kayo pa rin pero hindi kayo pwedeng manligaw ng iba pero basta hindi na kayo masyado lovey-dovey. And then asawa na. So ganun lang yung stages before. So anong tingin ko sa dating ngayon? Isa lang yung aking comment dyan, Ben. Sa tingin ko yung boys kailangan matutong manligaw ulit. I'm sure the girls will agree. Kasi yung courtship, it's such a nice thing. It makes both parties happy. Kaya lang kung iso-shortcut natin, wala nang courtship. Alap! Action kaagad. Mawawala yung romance, mawawala yung beauty ng panunuyo. And that's where you write letters, you write poems, you give gifts, you make things for your love. If there's one thing that I would really encourage everyone to learn, especially the boys, is to learn the art of courtship. Manuyo. Mangharana ulit. Magsulat ng tula. Magsulat ng love letters. Be a gentleman. Open the door. Walk on the dangerous side of the street. Walk ahead when you're going down a stair. Walk behind when you're going up the stairs, etc., etc. So, matutunan yung mga maliliit na bagay but I'm sure will matter a lot. So, kung ano man yung terms na yon, sa generation na yon. But there's one thing that I will insist on. Boys should learn how to court and be good gentlemen.